So I have this old Cisco ASA firewall, and obviously I could use it as a firewall. I don't really need it for that. But I thought I would see if it's possible to use this for something else. The internal chassis looks sort of PC-like. I mean, it's a Xeon processor, normal RAM, all the chipset components look pretty standard. I mean, the PCB is a Cisco PCB, but it looks sort of PC-like. And there's a connector there that says VGA connector. And so I probed it, and sure enough, there was a horizontal and vertical sync on there. So I figured out which pins those were and the signal outputs and hooked it up to a little monitor, and it worked. When it boots, you can hit F2 via USB keyboard and get into the BIOS and disable the RONMON. RONMON's the loader for the Cisco stuff. And it's an option in the BIOS. So it's a custom BIOS, but appears to, you can disable that. And then select a USB boot device, which I did here. Just tried the Ubuntu installer. And it's installing to a little 8 gig little SSD compact flash looking thing there. And there is a hard drive, or there is a SATA interface on here. It isn't plugged in because I have this card pulled out so you can get the connector. But there are a couple hard drives there too, so I could certainly install one of those. And there is one PCIe slot here that's inside of here. So I could put in either a 10 gig or a 40 gig adapter. And yeah, so it's, and also when it booted, it did show all the Ethernet interfaces as normal Ethernet interfaces. They're just PCIe devices, so they're not anything behind some custom ASIC or anything. So yeah, I think it's going to be usable as a little small server of some kind. So if you see an old ASA laying around, maybe you can repurpose it. So we'll see how it goes.